Hello, how you doing? Look, we're going to make some kind of Chinese style shrimp or prawns, whatever you call them today. Really easy. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So I've got 2 cups of a peeled raw shrimp or prawns. I've got a 1/4 cup of the following: white onion, green onion, sweet chili sauce, a couple of star anise, and then I've got a tablespoon of ginger and garlic chopped. Very, very simple this. Let's get to the cooker. We're going to start this off with a little bit of oil. Above medium heat, fairly high. We're going to start off by dropping in that little bit of star anise, just kind of gives it a beautiful flavor in there, infuses that oil. Let's get the garlic and the ginger in now and let it go just for 30, 40 seconds or something like that. Super fabulous. You don't want to burn that, you just want to kind of just let it do its thing there. Right, that white onion, I prefer white onion in here, but use a different onion if you want, and I've sliced my one, as you can see. So stay on that kind of vibrant heat, get it going. We're going to add a little bit of black pepper, we're going to add some salt. We're going to go for about 3 minutes. Right, in go the shrimp or the prawns. I mean, these are kind of not massive. They're not tiny, but they're not massive. I mean, you can change the size of them if you want. Very simply, prawns and shrimps cook very, very quickly. So again, on this vibrant heat, this kind of lively heat, we're going to go for about another 3 to 4 minutes. Fantastic stuff. A little bit of water. Now you could use, something else if you want, like some stock or something. But I'm just going with a little bit of water. In goes that sweet chili sauce. I think that's fabulous in there. Green onions, still on the high heat. Chuck that around in the pan just for 2 minutes. You've done it. Absolutely beautiful, super easy. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.